Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English learning program, Smart Up Your Life, with me, Rifa Majid, as your host, and also, exactly, of course, with my friends from BPEC Makassar or Benteng Panjua English Club community who are already here with me and will be with you too during this airing program. Well, let's say hi and let's have a great for my friends from BPEC Makassar. The first one, we have Mr. Diaz. Hi, Mr. Diaz.
Hello. How are you?
I'm in a good condition. And
Yeah.
I'm very well.
Wow. It sounds great.
How about you?
Oh, great. As I usually.
Oh, yes, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
So, the orange one.
Hi. Good
Hi,
evening.
Mrs. Dewi. How
Hi.
are you?
Speechless for today.
Hi, vitamin C.
You look so I don't know, you look so bright, you look so happy.
For always, yeah.
Oh,
For
yes.
always. That's my identity.
Oh yeah, yes. Okay. It's okay. And next we have Mr. I forget. Mr. Iksan.
Hello.
Just kidding, Mr. Okay, how are you, Mr.?
I'm pretty good.
Okay, thank you for coming. And yes, and also we have a newcomer, I
Yeah.
think. Okay, we
Always.
have Mr. Achang and her friend too. Welcome.
Welcome.
Yes. Well, and we have Mrs. Miss Tenri, yeah. Annie. Oh my gosh.
No matter.
Because you are using a mask, so that I don't recognize your face clearly,
She
right?
looks similar to Tenri, yeah?
Yes. All right, guys. So I hope you are in a good condition too, in a happy and healthy body. Because today there are a lot of our family feeling in a good, not in a good condition, because the earthquake was happened in Central Java. So our deep condolence to everybody who are being a victim.
We are sorry to hear that.
Yeah, we are so sorry to hear that, and we hope the people there in Central Java can be recovery very soon, right? Well,
Amen.
and the earthquake or any disaster, any natural disaster also sometimes it damage not only the people, not only their life, but also the tourism in that region, right? So today we are going to talk about that. And so what can we do as the young generation to recover our environment, our country with the tourism sector. But before that, I will let you to to introduce the BPEC Makassar to smart listener who maybe wanna join you, wanna try to increase and develop the English skill.
Maybe mother of BPEC.
Yes,
Not me.
please,
Want to speak?
mother. How are you today? This is Dewi. The time
No,
is yours.
not you.
Come
I
on.
don't know.
No, I'm not mother. You are
It's
mother.
been so long.
No matter.
Okay. Because I'm not a real legend, yeah. I'm not the only one legend here as a BPCians.
Oh, you are a legend.
Yeah, for everyone who blames me in BPEC. BPEC is oldest community, English community in Makassar and the beaches, if I don't mistake. And for everyone who wants to practice and enjoy the vibes, making a hilarious situation while studying and learning English itself. please come and join to BPC Benteng Panyua English Club that is located actually before pandemic. It's located in Rotterdam Fort, but now during pandemic, we are available in multimedia every Sunday.
Multimedia library.
Multimedia library that is in
front of Unismo.
In front of Unismo. And for everyone, I mean, it's for average age, no matter how young or old you. If you want to join, just join, and you can go with maybe your couples, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your children, your uncle and auntie, or something like that. Anything, or you can also bring your kitten there. But please do come.
So do not hesitate to join
do not
their
hesitate.
weekly meeting, and yes, to improve your English skill. Thank you so much. Okay, and that's the explanation about BPEC Makassar from our mother. The mother of BPEC.
BPC, yeah.
Oh,
yeah. I agree.
Is she really
Mother of- yeah, yeah.
mother of BPEC?
Yeah.
Yeah, they call me mother. They call me moms.
Oh, yeah. Okay, ma'am. Well, today or tonight, our topic is about the tourism. Yeah, the highlight topic, the main topic of our discussion is about tourism because yesterday was World Tourism Day. So, are you excited?
I didn't know it actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is the
So I'll
tourism
tell
day.
you now.
Oh,
I'll tell you now.
Yeah.
So that I told you, right? Well, guys, smart listener, before we are entering to the conversation, we bring you to have a discussion about this topic. Yes, we focus on how our act as a young generation using this tourism sector to recover our nation. Yeah, because of pandemic, yes, everything, I think everything was sick. Yeah, so we need to be recover by this tourism. What should we do? So you can have our discussion too by seeing our live streaming on YouTube channel Smartfm Makassar, or you can also just text us on our WhatsApp 0811461011.
Smart up your life